Hey guys, so I just thought I'd bring you along with my making of my smoothie, and hopefully you guys can see this. Okay, I don't know if I've mentioned this or not, but I have been replacing my lunches with a smoothie. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys what all I put in my smoothie. I don't measure anything. I just kind of throw in what I have at the time. I don't know if this is the right thing to do or the wrong thing to do, but this is what I've been doing. So I'm going to start off with, let me grab a little bit of my OJ, because I always start off with a little orange juice. And I'm going to go about 4.5 ounces today. 4.5 ounces of orange juice. I am going to throw in a couple dollops. Oh, I can't find my scooper right now, so I guess we'll just use my big spoon here. Couple dollops of yogurt. I'm out of my Greek yogurt, so I am stealing a little of my son's yogurt, but that's okay. I always throw greens into my smoothies, so this is a good handful of baby spinach. I'm so ready to have my smoothie today too because I'm hungry. I'm eating a little bit later today than normal. If you're wondering what I'm doing right now, I'm just peeling a little bit of ginger root because I do stick a small chunk of ginger root. Hopefully you guys can see that. I feel like I'm really bright today. I don't know why. So we're going to throw some of that ginger root in there. Oh, there it is. Why is it that I open my refrigerator to take a certain something out, and I will catch myself just standing there staring in the refrigerator, like, and you're looking right at it, so I don't know what you're looking for. You know what I mean? I don't know. I feel like that's age kicking in. So what I'm slicing up now is a little bit of fresh red beets. I've been making my husband drink smoothies too. I'm going to go ahead and put a nice little chunk of that in there. And he claims that he hates beets. But if he doesn't know that I'm putting them in there, because a lot of times your red beet will it will definitely change the color red every time. But if I put other things in there, such as my ground cinnamon, I just put about a tablespoon in there of that. So depending on what else I'm putting in there, it does change the color. And so he doesn't know it. And he sucks it right down. Like, so I'm thinking, like, you don't know if you like red beets or not. So here's my banana. I just kind of push that down in. I do take vitamins. They're just an everyday vitamin. But they are big horse pills. And I hate swallowing them, so I do throw my vitamins in my smoothie. Now, let's see what we got here. I've got a little bit of blueberries. So we're going to throw some blueberries in there today. And yes, they are frozen. And yes, I just kind of like to push that down so my blade will fit in there. And yes, they are delicious. I made Mason a smoothie this morning, and I made it out of blueberry. I did blueberry banana for him with baby spinach. That's how I get my greens into him, because he won't eat them. So I went ahead and I added my cap, and I'm gonna take it over here, and I'll take you guys along with me. Let me see here. It's so bright, so I hope this video turns out okay, because it is so bright today. And I'm going to click on my extract button. I should have warned you guys it was going to get loud. Don't mind my clean business here. Oh, it looks so yummy. I really hate that it's so bright though. Done and mixed well. And we're done. So I'll take you back over here and sit you down for just a second so I can take this off. I can't open it with one hand. Every time I open it, you get that sizzling sound. And here's our smoothie. It's a nice red color. Just gonna grab my straw and give her a taste. Can I say yum? I'll see you in my next video.